Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any EV having a Ford C-Max, guys. Generation from year 2012 to year 2019. If you need to remove exterior door handles, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. It's not very complicated. We'll cover that today. You don't need to take the door panels apart in most cases to do that, but there is a trick, and if you don't do it right, you can break the mechanism on the inside, and in that case you need to remove the door panel, take the whole door apart and replace even the mechanism. So all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So how we do that now, guys? Most Ford C-Max, okay, handles, that will work for front, rear, left, right. If you have the smart key, things may differ a little bit because you have to disconnect the cable. But if you don't have the smart key, okay, everything will be the same for all handles. When you open the door, guys, you have a cap. That cap, okay, you have to be careful because those are super tight. You don't want to scratch your car too, okay, because if you use a screwdriver you're going to scratch it. So go ahead, pry it open. When you do that now, guys, okay, on the inside there is a screw right here, but we need to get a screwdriver because the locking cable just goes through it. Okay, I think it's from what I can see, it's a Torx, and there is a locking cable. It's hard for me to show you, but there is a screw, guys. Okay, let me show you now. It's an Allen wrench, but this one will work, I think. Let me see. Okay, so you start unscrewing, but don't take it all the way off. Grab the cap here while you're unscrewing. Okay, that's it. Stop, because if you keep going it will fall, the screw will fall in. It's actually, guys, an Allen wrench. We use Torx. Okay, that's the screw right there. You can see when you turn it, okay, it goes like that, and you just pull the whole mechanism. I don't think it actually even can fall the way it's invented. It's amazing. That's great, because on some cars it can fall. Now if you just pull, guys, you can break things. So you need to grab that handle, okay, pull towards the back, come around the seal, okay. Now you need to come all the way to the front so you don't break it. Come in an angle, okay, and that handle comes out. You can see just like that. In case you need to do it, guys, for anything, that's how we do it. Front, rear, about the same way. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.